you have already met these number friends, you know. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, are there numbers beyond 9 as well? Like, are there any numbers after 9 as well? Let's see. But before that, let's hear the story of Mary. So, it was Mary's birthday and she invited her friends for her birthday. Now, as you also do, when you invite your friends for birthday, you arrange for some sweets for them. So, Mary also wanted to arrange for some sweets for her friends. And for that, she needs to know how many friends are there. So let's count how many friends has Mary invited for her birthday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what about these friends? How do we count these friends? Do we have any numbers? We know numbers only till 9. But Mary has invited friends more than 9. So, how do I count these friends? And even Mary was worried. On what basis will she arrange for the sweets? So, what she did was she went to her number friends. So, she went to these number friends 1 to 9 to ask for help. Now, these number friends were busy playing in the park. So, when they saw Mary, they just ran and went up the swing. So, there were these swings in the park, and each number friend from 1 to 9 sat on the swing and they started swinging happily. Now, seeing them, the number friend 0, you know, he also came along and he saw that there was no swing left where he could sit. So there was no swing left for 0. And since he was the youngest of them all, he started crying. And he said, I also want to swing like you. But unfortunately, there was no swing left for 0. Now 1 was a very kind number friend. So what 1 did was, 1 said to 0 that don't worry 0, come, you can sit along with me. You can share the swing with me. So 1 and 0, they sat on the same swing. But do you know what happened next? Well, the ropes of the swing snapped and the swing broke. And that was when 1 realized only one of us can sit on the swing. So 2 of them could not sit on a single swing. So you can see that these are all single swings and only one number is sitting on each swing. As soon as 0 got up the swing broke. Now what 1 did was it started to build a new swing. It started to build a new swing, and as you can see, there are 2 seats on this new swing. So this is a double swing. Why was 1 doing it? To accommodate 0 along with him. So 1 built a double swing on which 2 numbers can sit and swing together. So now 1 said, since I have made the swing, I will sit on this first. And the other numbers, all of you, just wait for your turn and come one by one over the swing. So all the numbers were very excited to get on this new swing, and they just stood in a queue to get up this new swing. So on this new swing, 1 just sat on the left side, and as you can see, 0 sat here, and they started to swing together. So you can see they are happily swinging together on this new swing. And this is our new number. So this is our new number friend. you can see it consists of two numbers coming together. So 1 and 0 have come together to form a new number. And what do we call this number? We call this number 10. It consists of 1 and 0 coming together. This is the number 10. So all the numbers we had learned till now, they are all one-digit numbers. We call them one-digit numbers because they could accommodate on single swings. So these are all single-digit numbers or one-digit numbers. But what happens after 9 is we have two-digit number. So we have 10, right? So two-digit number means two digits or two numbers have come together to form a single number, which is 10. So 10 is 1 and 0 coming together. So this is 10. Now what happens next is, as you can see, all the numbers are waiting in the queue to get on this new swing. After some time, 0 climbs down the swing and 1 gets on the swing. So this is our next number friend, 1 and 1. So two ones coming together forms our next number friend. It is 11. So 1 and 1 give us 11. So what comes after 1? 2. So we can see 2 standing in the queue. So 1 climbs down and 2 gets up. And we have yet another number friend, which is 12. So we call this number 12. It consists of 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 together make 12, right? So 1, 2 come together to make a 12. What comes after 2? 3, right? So after 2, it is 3's turn. So 2 climbs down and 3 gets on the swing. And we have 1 and 3, 13. So we have 1 and 3, 13. This is our next number friend after 12. After 13, so 3 gets down, 3 climbs down, and what should come next? 4. So we have our next number friend, 1 and 4, 14. This is our next number friend. What comes after 4? So 4 climbs down and 5 gets on the swing to give us our next number friend, 15. So 1 and 5 give us 15. So 1 and 5 give us 15. So you must have guessed by now that 5 will climb down now and 6 will get on the swing. So we have our new number friend, 16. So 1 and 6, 16. So it's quite simple. Yes, 1 keeps sitting on the left side and on the right side, one by one, the numbers are coming. So after 6, we have 7. 6 climbs down and 7 gets on the swing to give us this new number friend whom we call 17. So 1, 7, 17. So this is our new number friend, 17. Next, 7 gets down and 8 sits on the swing. And we get 18. So 1 and 8, 1 and 8. This is how we write 18. So this is 18. What comes after 18? 8 will get down, 9 will get up, and we get 19. So 1 and 9. We get 19. Now what will happen after 19? Well, you know this 9, this is a very naughty number. He is Mr. Trouble. So he said, I will not come down from the swing until you come down too. So 9 said that he will not get down from the swing until and unless 1 climbs down. And he was pretty adamant about it. So poor 1 had to get down from the swing, and 2 took this opportunity saying that I come after 1. So he climbed on the left side and 0 climbed on the right side to give us a new number friend, 20. So we had 19, 1 got down to give us 2 because 2 comes after 1, and 9 got down and 0 climbed in his place to give us 20. So this is the new number friend we have. So we have met some new number friends. Let's see what are they. So we have met 10, 1 and 0, 10. We have met 11, 1 and 1, 11. We have met 12, 1 and 2. After 1 and 2, we have 13, which is 1 and 3. 1 and 4, 14. 1 and 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. So we have 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. After 18 comes 1, 9, 19. And after 19, we have 20. So these are the new number friends which we have learned from 10 to 20. And yes, there are numbers beyond 9 as well. So this should solve Mary's problem. Now let us see whether Mary can count the number of friends she has invited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What comes after 9? Can you tell me? Right, it's 10. After 10, 11 and 12. So, Mary has invited 12 friends for her birthday, and now she also has some new number friends. So, after 9, we have number friends 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So even you should remember these number friends and practice writing them. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.